This is too much for you to handle. There is some speculation online regarding when the Ripple v. SEC lawsuit will conclude. It would be foolish to ignore such a bullish indication. Many industry watchers anticipate that XRP Ripple will soon reach $50. Wow, that's awesome. But this is just the start. On top of everything else, Ripple is dominating the market with its technology, which might cause XRP prices to soar even higher than anticipated. We should arrange everything in a logical way. Watching this video will astound you. Important notice. Then XRP, with its future and legal standing up in the air, Ripple finds itself at a crossroads in its history. The cryptocurrency community is buzzing about a recent legal update, with some even going so far as to say that this might mark a turning point for XRP. The outcome of Ripple's legal battle with the SEC could be decided by January 15th, as the SEC announced plans to submit its principal brief in the ongoing appeal just last week. What does the SEC's position on XRP mean? A lot. According to prominent attorney Bill Morgan, who has been keeping a close eye on the case, the SEC has largely argued that XRP is just an investment contract and has no intrinsic value. While this may be the case, many in the crypto and legal communities disagree, arguing that digital assets shouldn't be labeled securities just because they're traded. Morgan has been vocal in his criticism of the SEC's myopic view of XRP's role in distinguishing it from assets and the types of transactions in which it is used. Morgan made the comment that the SEC still doesn't get the difference between an asset and a transaction, and he stressed that this lack of understanding could lead to a complete mischaracterization of the digital asset. Joe Shu, in contrast to Morgan's view, argues that the appeals court should, during its de novo review, might take a new look at XRP's categorization and come to the conclusion that it is a security. The court could adopt a strict approach similar to Judge Rakoff's decision in the Terra case, where digital assets linked to investment activities were classified as securities, according to Shu's perspective. The position taken by Shu suggests that XRP may be reclassified by the appeals court, putting aside the subtleties of Judge Torres's original decision. For Shu, the whole status of XRP could be reevaluated as a consequence of a de novo review. This type of review is useful because it frees the appeals court from prior rulings and allows them to make their own independent decisions. Many people in the community are interested in Morgan's embodiment theory, though. According to this school of thought, XRP is not a security because it is a digital asset. Rather, its categorization is dependent on the circumstances surrounding its sale. The market and many saw Judge Torres' ruling as a win for Ripple because it confirmed this school of thinking and distinguished clearly between XRP and the transactions involving it. Many in the cryptocurrency community share Torres' view that XRP transactions are not investment contracts, as the SEC had previously argued. It is unfair to evaluate digital assets based on the number of transactions in which they were involved. According to Morgan, XRP might be able to operate with more freedom in the secondary market if the appeals court reaffirms this logic and frees it from the security label. The optimism that these recent developments have sparked was summarized by one ex-user going by the name of Random Crypto Pal. According to Brad, the SEC has been defeated. Contrary to popular belief, XRP is not an investment vehicle. We have completed the XRP settlement. Bitcoin to the stars. Never again will XRP be less than 50 cents. This tweet encapsulates the feeling of XRP supporters, who see Ripple's victory over the SEC as the cryptocurrency's long-awaited justification. Everything is on the line. There may be more support for the claim that not all digital assets are securities if the appeals court confirms Judge Torres' differentiation. But if the court rules in favor of the SEC, as argued, a web of regulations that were previously reserved for traditional securities could now be applied to XRP and similar assets as a result of this decision. If Ripple wins, XRP holders may see their assets recast as legitimate in the eyes of the financial world. If they lose, they may face more scrutiny and restrictions. Interesting, isn't it? Now we come to the important question. What does the future hold for the price of XRP in light of its recent successes? Major potential is at stake here. Perhaps the beginning of XRP's golden age. What is the maximum possible height? So what's next on your viewing list? Listen up, XRP holders, because what I'm about to reveal could alter the course of history. Accordingly, rumors of an impending breakout have been circulating in the XRP market, with both analysts and influential people predicting a sudden and dramatic increase in price. Lots of people have been guessing about XRP's future for weeks now, thanks to what Ito Farina called historically long Bollinger Band squeeze, a technical indicator that could signal a price surge. Tweets from Lord XRP, who promised that XRP will melt faces when the beast awoke, only served to heighten the anticipation. It's more than that. The market participants are perceiving clear indications that a major development may be imminent. According to data from CoinGlass, the cryptocurrency market recently experienced massive liquidations, wiping out positions totaling nearly $50 million in just 1 hour. The imbalance was the most noticeable aspect of this wave of liquidations. An astounding 94% of the positions that were liquidated were longs, indicating that the vast majority of traders were placing bets on prices going up. However, XRP was the star of the show due to its 125,000% liquidation imbalance. It was evident that many in the market were optimistic about XRP's performance because long positions were hit nearly 17 times harder than shorts. Despite a mere 1% decline in price, many traders seem to be very optimistic about the future of XRP, which is revealed by this unusual imbalance. However, investors are now more wary due to the rapid selling of these long positions. The price of XRP was not as badly affected by this wave of liquidations, though. Despite the modest price change, the market appears ready for action, with many analysts believing that the recent decline might be a temporary respite before a more intense period of volatility. The XRP captain shared this view, drawing attention to the significant market tension that has been building up to this point. A record-breaking Bollinger Band squeeze for XRP suggests a potential price explosion. Will XRP holders see a breakout as a result of this imbalance and technical squeeze? Another possibility is that the market is just reacting to the abundance of long positions. Even though cautious bulls are now pulling back, there is still a palpable sense of optimism. King XRP and other influential XRP users have not been shy about sharing their ambitious price targets, which could see XRP reach $52.80 on the spot if the coin were to break out immediately. If this current wave of liquidation was just a reset or the beginning of a historic surge, the market's reaction will tell us in the next price movements. This is a critical juncture for XRP as the price stabilizes and traders reevaluate their holdings. An explosive rally could happen at any moment. Is more consolidation necessary for XRP, or will it live up to expectations? In any case, as anticipation grows, we should expect to see XRP's readiness for a breakout in the next weeks, which could redefine its place in the cryptocurrency market. What a small fraction of the total, isn't it? Just a moment, though, there's a whole lot more to discover. When it comes to Ripple's impressive new partnerships with XRP, we have barely begun to scratch the surface. You must not miss this, believe me, because partnerships like these have the potential to propel the XRP ecosystem to new heights. So XRP's current legal battle with the SEC isn't the only thing making waves in the market. The increasing attention from institutions is another important factor, especially in the field of exchange-traded funds ETFs. To better understand what an exchange-traded fund ETF is, it's helpful to compare it to a fruit basket, in which each fruit stands in for a different investment.